YouTube, been a long time, very long time, and let's go and see what's been happening on the layout. So, quite a massive change has happened, and it's a big one. I have made the layout shorter and smaller, so the bridge has gone, the goods shed has been moved to over there, so all that siding what was there has gone. The boards have been rotated 180 degrees. Reasoning of this, I've made it more accessible for me. My station has moved here, so I've got a small passing loop from the outside line, so I can run stuff from the inside to go on the outside and in the loop. The engine shed is now over there. Level crossing is there. So yeah, quite big changes come about. The wooden platforms are no longer. I bought these Scaledale ones. None of them was brand new. Everything on this board, apart from a few bits of track, was all second hand. And yes, I know you shouldn't buy track second hand, but it just proves that on a budget you can do it. That's the latest update. As you can see, the old bridge has now been made redundant. It's up there. It was a nice idea at the time, but functionality wasn't great. So I am very happy with how the layout is now. And just with the middle bit, I'll probably just put a little street, a few houses dotted about. Just like keep it a village. So yeah. So hopefully I won't leave it so long like I did last time. I formally do apologise, but thank you for watching and thank you for bearing with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.